You unwrap the Froplay ZoomerPup, a fluffy animated puppy toy promising wagging tails, realistic barks, interactive tricks, and endless hours of fun. You press the start button, but after a few minutes of unpredictable barking, stiff movements, and glitchy reactions, you wonder, is ZoomerPup the fun, responsive companion it claims to be in 2026, or just another overpromised plastic toy left in the corner after a weekend? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test toys, gadgets, and real-world gadgets to tell you what's truly worth your money. Today we're putting ZoomerPup through real-world play to discover whether it genuinely delivers joy or frustration. I spent a full 10 days testing the ZoomerPup indoors and outdoors, on carpet, hardwood, and even a grassy backyard patch. I tried voice commands, remote control tricks, interactive modes, battery recharges, and even rough play to check durability. I compared ZoomerPup with other interactive pets and ride-on toys aimed at kids and tweens. I tracked responsiveness, motion smoothness, bark growl volume, battery life, and the overall fun factor. After nearly 2 weeks of hands-on use, I can say exactly what ZoomerPup does well and where it falls short. Froplay markets ZoomerPup as a fully interactive puppy, capable of doing tricks, responding to voice commands, dancing, barking, and even simulating emotions. They highlight responsive sensors, LED eyes, rechargeable battery, rugged plastic shell, and a cute pet-like voice. But the big question, does ZoomerPup really behave like a smart toy pet in 2026, or is it just a noisy, glitchy toy with flashing lights and plastic fur? Let's test those promises. Step 1. Responsiveness and trick execution. At first try, ZoomerPup responds to basic commands like sit or come, but timing and recognition are inconsistent. Sometimes it obeys, other times it ignores or acts delayed. The remote control tricks, spin, lie down, dance, work better than voice commands, but smoothness is hit or miss. It often jerks or stalls mid-trick. Step 2. Animation and movement. Quality. The running steps and tail wagging are adequate for a toy of this price. On carpet, motion is slow. On hardwood or short pile surfaces, movement improves noticeably. But during play, small scratches or bumps cause the pup to get stuck, requiring manual tilt or reset. It never achieves the fluid grace of a real animal or higher-end robotic pets. Step 3. Sound and personality effects. Barks and whines are loud and cartoonish, fine for kids but unrealistic for anyone expecting a more pet-like experience. The LED eyes flash in playful patterns which can entertain younger children but feel tacky or toy-like to older users. After extended use, the sound gets tinny and muffled. Step 4. Battery life and recharge. With moderate use, occasional tricks and barks, the battery lasted about 6 hours. Shorter than advertised. 8 and 10 hours, recharging took roughly 2 hours. Frequent remote control play drained battery quickly, limiting sustained fun sessions. Step 5. Durability and build quality. ZoomerPup survived drops from couch height, bumping against furniture and some rough handling. The plastic shell remained intact, and the paws and wheels held up. However, joints started feeling loose after repeated trick cycles. The exterior plastic fur looks cheap and begins to peel if dragged on floor surfaces, not ideal for heavy or long-term play. Step 6. Realistic pet feel and play value. As a novelty toy, ZoomerPup provides a few amusing minutes for kids under 10. Barks, spins, brief surprises. But after the novelty fades, glitches, limited movement, and repetitive actions make it feel repetitive. Compared to real pets or advanced robotic toys, emotional engagement and versatility are very limited. So, is the Froplay ZoomerPup the toy you need in 2026? It's useful if you want a budget-friendly novelty pet toy for children under 10 who enjoy flashing lights, barking sounds, and simple remote control tricks. As a small toy gift or short-term amusement, it works. But if you're looking for a lasting companion, realistic pet behavior, or high durability, ZoomerPup falls short. It's more plastic toy than interactive pet. Pros: affordable and widely available, fun for kids and short sessions. Decent durability for light use, simple controls and remote tricks. Cons: inconsistent responsiveness and glitchy behavior, weak realism, jerky movement, toy-like sounds, short battery life and flimsy fur plastic exterior, repetitive play, loses novelty, fast bottom line. ZoomerPup is a fine toy, but only a toy. It doesn't deliver on the promise of a realistic or long-term interactive pet-like experience. If you want serious robotic pet play or lasting entertainment, you'll want to look at higher-end interactive robots. If you just want occasional fun and a low-cost toy for a child, ZoomerPup will do the job. If this review helped you decide whether the Froplay ZoomerPup is worth buying in 2026, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Write in the comments, do you think toys like ZoomerPup should be considered pets or just short-lived gadgets? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where your gadgets and toys get real reviews, no hype.